That's the word.
Time to eat.
He's here. We're going to put together a fun little dinner for you tonight. Easy and kind of nice for a Saturday night. Doritos, pasta salad. How do you like that?
Gotta make sure they're okay.
He's the tester, official.
Alright.
Make sure they're crunchy. Do you hear that? Okay. Okay, this is going to be easy and quick, but it's a nice little recipe that Rick found when he was looking around. And it involves a bag of Doritos, which is, how many ounces is this? 9 3/4 ounces. That's the size you want to get. You can get whatever flavor of Doritos you'd like. We got nacho cheese. And then we're going to use a pound of rotini pasta. We're going to cook that up real quick. We're going to use a pound of ground beef, and I have the low-fat variety here. This is just going to be browned in the pan and cooked thoroughly. Then we're going to add some taco seasoning. We're going to use a 1.25 ounce package of Ortega taco seasoning mix.
Or Ortega.
Ortega, I know we say it wrong.
Pasta's fresh.
Oh, don't need the pasta.
I'm hungry.
Oh my God, I heard this crunching over here. Okay, this is what you would usually put in your taco meat. We're going to put it in our meat after it's browned. An onion, a container of grape tomatoes, and we're going to cut them in half. Half of a head of lettuce. You want it to come out to about 3 cups, shredded up pretty small. And we're going to use Olive Garden Italian salad dressing, but you can use French also with this.
Oui.
Oui, oui. And 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. I think that's it, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to get started. One of us is going to brown the meat and cook the pasta. The other one's going to cut up the veggies. And we're going to use a big bowl this time because it involves mixing and flipping them around.
Should I wait till that water boils till I pour these in?
Yeah. Yep.
But I can start browning the meat, right?
Okay. I'll start cutting up the lettuce and stuff.
Okay. Brown the meat. Sizzle, sizzle.
Can you see Rick over there? I'm just going to cut these tomatoes in half. Get them ready. Grape tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, whatever you can find at this time.
Green tomatoes.
Yeah.
It's easy.
Mm-hmm. I got the easy part today. Oh, Rick's using the cast iron pan over there, and it takes a little while to warm up. Le Creuset. Just gonna make slices out of this, kind of shreds, fast and easy. Now all these items on my cutting board are ready to toss in once we mix the meat with the taco sauce and once we drain the pasta. Okay, Rick's browning up the meat here. This is a low-fat hamburger, 95%.
Looks good.
Yep, that's cooking quick. And then the pasta butter is almost ready.
I'm a chef.
Well, you got the apron on. You ready for the pasta there?
How long do we put it in after it's starting to boil? All
8
right.
minutes after it comes to a boil.
After it comes back to a boil. Right?
Yes. We can't seem to put that pot away, can we? Ever since we got it, we've been using it every day.
Every day. Really? I don't really need a ladle for this, do I? Or this is a
Fork it.
Fork it. Stringy spaghetti spoon. Paella. We're not gonna have no Doritos left.
That's it. That's it. Oh, your next job is going to be to crush them.
It's only that full. Yeah.
Can you figure out how you're going
Crush
to?
them.
You got to crush them up
The hammer.
without getting them all over the kitchen.
Gotta be crushed. Like
Yeah.
you beat the bag on the counter.
I don't want them to be flying all
They
over
want
the
to be
kitchen.
crushed.
Yeah, you got to crush them. You got to crush them so we mix them in. Crush them up, Rick,
You just beat them over here.
or squeeze them, or something.
Really?
Just keep the bag closed, though. That's all I can
Not
say.
too small.
Yeah, just like
Still
a,
want it to be crunchy.
yeah. Let's see what you got there.
You ever think you would do that in your whole life?
Wreck a bag of Doritos.
Yeah.
Oh, see, that's pretty nice. That's pretty
Yeah,
nice.
we want some big pieces yet. Gently crush your Doritos. Now what? Uh-oh.
Get. Looking good.
That's the word. Should I put the lid on? It's a heavy lid.
Yeah, it'll
No. For 1 minute.
go. Okay. Okay, is the hamburger done?
I think so. See? Should I
All
drain
right.
it out a little bit?
Yeah, drain it out, and then we're going to add the
In there?
taco seasoning. Yes.
Oh, don't waste none.
Okay, when you get it drained,
Nice. Okay.
let's put it in this big bowl.
This is a bowl. Put it in, right?
Yep. And I'll take it from there.
I'm done.
You got to stir the pasta.
My job here is done.
Okay, we have a pound of ground beef here. We're going to spread it out a little bit to help it cool off. And I'm going to take this pack of Ortega taco seasoning mix.
Or Ortega.
Smells good. Smells like a taco. And we're just going to sprinkle it in here. Alright, we're going to toss it around. Get all the meat covered with some seasoning.
Smells good. I smell it over here.
Yeah, it
All
does
the way
smell
across
good.
the room, I smell it.
This is a good way to let it cool off too, for a little bit of a nice temperature salad. Okay, you can see how the meat absorbed all the powder. It's all mixed in. That's why we're mixing it separately before we start adding other ingredients.
Smells
Right?
good.
Okay.
I threw a tomato in.
Alright, let's get the rest of the veggies in here. We're going to add the onions. We're going to add the tomatoes. This reminds me of those walking tacos that we used to make with the Frito bags, right?
Yeah,
That was always fun.
with the Dorito bags.
Yeah. But I think it originally started with Fritos.
That's where you put everything in the bag. Did you make one of those on your channel?
Yeah, we made them already where you just slice the bag.
Was that on your channel?
I think so. I think it is. One of our channels. Maybe we can send them the link with this.
Looks good.
Yeah, it does. Right now it's in layers. You can taste the lettuce.
Let us be friends.
Lettuce, turnip, and pea.
What?
Okay.
How dare you?
Now in the next layer we're going to add 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. You can add any kind of cheese you like. Alright, that's all spread out nice. We're not going to add the Doritos yet. And we're not going to add the dressing yet because we don't want to get everything soggy. We want it to be crunchy. We'll wait for the pasta next.
I tasted it. I'll pour this into my strainer that I washed. This is hard work.
It's going to be worth it.
That's a heavy pot, isn't it?
Yes.
Put half of it here. Shake it out, put it in the bowl so it cools. So
Right.
the cheese don't melt.
Run a little cold water on that. So
Really?
yeah, we want it to cool off.
Oh, not that cool, right?
Yeah. We're going to mix it with cheese.
Yeah, but
We don't want it to melt.
you want it warm too, right? Mm-mm. I did it. There's more here. Hang on. Look at me cooking food. Rigatoni.
No. Rotini.
Rogatini. Pass the word. Think that looks like me?
Let's see.
Don't say it!
What do you guys think? Oh no.
No, I don't think so. He doesn't even have a hat on.
Well, my mom thought it looked like you, so she drew your picture with it.
You mean this picture?
Yeah, that's the picture. She thought that from one of his other videos that,
I was so young.
let me get a close up, the Nutcracker. I think that was awesome.
Teddy,
All right, how's that pasta doing there? We ready to mix in?
it's ready for me to eat.
All right,
Pour it in here? Or you want to do this?
you can go ahead.
Do
Pour
what
it-
now? Just
Spread
pour
it evenly around.
Ooh, is it warm? What's going to be warm about this? To melt
We
the
want it to
cheese?
be cold. I mean, we want it to be room temperature because.
Well, how's the cheese going to melt?
Let's see here. Let's see how it looks.
How's that?
All right.
All of it?
Now next, yeah, all of it. 1 pound.
Mmm.
Now we have a bottle of salad dressing.
This?
Yes, we're going to use all of that.
Olive Garden. Just put that on top?
Spread it around.
Are you sure? Hmm?
Pasta word. Because those little rotini, they absorb a lot of dressing.
Smells good. Now what?
All right, mix it in with that big spoon there. Now Now the recipe that Rick found recommended French dressing, but we don't have that in the house,
We
and
could have made that with ketchup and mayonnaise.
French, that's Russian. But I mean, we could have made another dressing, but
Hey,
we
I'm
like
from
this
France.
one.
Just mix this up, right?
Yep. That's nice. Show me that color in there.
Very festive. Be perfect for your Festivus parties.
It's going to be festive when the nachos get in there.
Oh,
Can you
oh,
see all the meat and veggies? And
yeah.
oh,
I
that looks
can.
beautiful.
Could have used 5 pounds of meat. It's in there. Mushrooms, onions. Did you put onions in here?
Yeah, can you smell them?
Yeah.
I guess you could add some other things too, like maybe black olives or
Anything you like.
well, what you
Peppers,
would
hot peppers, whatever you want. Pepperoni.
what you would normally want in a taco, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you
Sour
ready
cream.
for the crunchiness?
Sour cream on the edge of your plate. Yeah. Doritos enough. Sprinkle them on top.
Yeah, you want to taste first? I know he's gonna do that. All right,
Just right.
here we go.
Now, half the bag and mix it in, or just leave it on top?
Leave it all in and mix it in. Go ahead.
Really? I'm glad I didn't crunch them up too small, but just right.
All right, just lightly toss them.
Yeah. Like.
Okay. With the spoon.
Yeah. We're gonna eat this, huh?
Oh, we sure are. Oh, that's really nice.
Now what? I need a plate.
Okay.
Bowls.
I got the
Oh,
bowls
boy.
ready for us.
Oh, is this my bowl?
No.
Oh, these bowls back here?
Yep. Let me get this camera set up here.
Forks. Just put them in the bowl, right?
Right?
You wanna help me?
I'm coming.
Just put it in, right?
Well, I got this too if we need it to serve, but you're doing good.
Oh.
Look at that.
Mm.
So you really have to eat it quick because the chips are gonna be crispy if you do, right?
Yeah, I could always add more too.
Yeah, that looks great.
Yeah. Is that mine or yours?
That's yours.
Mm. Mm.
Wow.
Mm.
Okay.
Oh! I smell the salad dressing.
Cheers.
I'll eat it.
Mmm. Mmm.
Good flavor, that salad dressing.
Mm-hmm.
Taco seasoning.
Oh my gosh. And the meat and the tomatoes. Oh boy.
Mm.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Like it, huh?
Yeah.
That was a good recipe, Rick.
Try it.
Yep, that's a nice quick supper for a weekend day, right?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching our video because we have fun making them for you.
Mm-hmm. Please subscribe. Pass the word to all your friends. Have a nice holiday season.
Okay, we gotta make some cookies now.
Mm. Yeah. We got 2 KitchenAid mixers. If you didn't know it. We're gonna make cookies. We got ingredients all over the place.
Yeah, we're gonna power them up.
Mm-hmm.
We got the butter here on the table getting softened.
Listen to Christmas music.
Mm-hmm.
Are we gonna record that?
We might even show you some, yeah.
Yeah, on your channel or my channel or pass the word.
I don't know.
They're gonna be cookies.
We'll have videos, don't worry.
Have a nice day. We're